Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this bright look in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. Alright, first of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it like this and combine it with this hair. You can choose only bangs and then make it this color, and then you're going to put on this flower crown. And then you're going to color it all white, and you can do adjustment for the rotate and scale. Okay, and then you're going to put on this accessory, make it all white, and then this necklace, make it white. Also this one, make it white, and this one, make it white. And then I'm going to put on this corset, this black corset, and then we're going to choose toggle 1. And for this corset, I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it white until the last selection. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area and put on this gloves. And then I'm going to remove the fur. Okay. And the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room. Okay, and from this dressing room, I'm going to go to the curse item and put on this Sabrina Carpenter dress and apply the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with this dress, and we can choose toggle 3, and then we're going to apply this pattern. But wait guys, I'm going to remove the shiny dress so we can apply pattern. Okay, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it white, and then for the third selection, make it white, and for the fourth selection, make it this white color, and for the last selection, make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to put on this flower, okay, and then I'm going to make it one arm. And for the leaves, I'm going to make it this color. And for the second selection, make it white. For the third selection, make it this color. And for the fourth selection, make it this color. Okay. And for the fifth selection, make it white. And the last selection, make it white. Okay. And then, oops, I'm going to go back to this dressing room, and then I'm going to go to the curse item, put on this dress, and then you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and sorry, I forgot something from the dressing room, so I'm going to go back, go to the curse item, and then I'm going to put on this ribbon, and then we're going to make it behind hat too, and I'm going to apply white color for all the selection. Okay, done, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.